So we're going to show you here that you know, not all roof repairs are equal. So they already had somebody out here, and you can see what they're doing. Look at, they're just putting roofer's tar everywhere. So they tear up the whole valley. They do some weird cleaning technique, and then they put a little bit of paper in really half-assed, and basically they destroy your roof is what they do. These are just done by people that really don't know what they're doing. They're kind of just out here charging you money. I'm pretty sure you get a pretty good price to do something like this, but you can see that. Look at the sloppy workmanship. Look at this. It's just tarred. It's not nothing cohesive. It's not intelligently done. You can see the felt paper. It's not terminated properly. It's not tied in properly. The damaged areas are not even getting addressed. They're kind of just up here doing, I mean, I guess you could call this a band-aid, basically. So you got to be real careful about letting people do band-aids for your roof. It's really not good. So anyways, we're going to get this all torn out, and we'll, look at that. Wow, that's so bad. Anyways, we'll show you how to get this done right, and we'll finish up, we'll take pictures, and we'll show you exactly how it looks like when you put it back together correctly.